Hi, I'm Kate, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Washington State. Welcome to my weekly Blast from the Past video. Projects I feature here are used with discontinued items from previous catalogs, in this case, the Daisy Delight stamp set, and then I add current products with it to give it some new life and to make it even more fun to have. I know many of my customers and that keep these stamp sets and don't purge them from their systems from their catalogs or whatever, and so I like to try and bring fresh new looks to the product. So one thing I do want to say is that if you don't have this stamp set and after today's video you would like to have it, I am giving it away free to the first person to subscribe to both my blog and my YouTube channel. So when you do that, leave me a comment and I will be in touch with you about sending you this stamp set, gently used, for free. Okay, let me show you what I made today. I made 3 cards. 2 of them are note card size, which means they're 3.5 by 5. This is the first one I did. So again, the base is 5 by 7 to start with, scored at 3.5, side fold, note card size. Then I cut this, which is, excuse me, Misty Moonlight, and it is 3 3/8 by 4 7/8. And then the white piece is 3 1/8 by 4 5/8. Then I took a brush or a sponge, either one, and some Seaside spray and added just a little bit of blue to the background. Then I stamped the stems and the leaves from the Daisy Delight stamp set with shaded spruce, and the outline and the stem are full strength and the fill on the leaves is stamped off once. For the flowers, I punched out using the Daisy Punch, which is still current and available in the catalog, 2 of the flowers. Then I cut them in half, 4 petals to each half, and attached them together, offsetting the petals, stamped 2 centers with Bumblebee ink and cut them out with scissors and attached them with mini glue dots, gave some curl with my bone folder, and then attached the 2 flowers with dimensionals. You'll want to attach this white piece first and then attach these on the last. So that's that card. Then I did this note card. Again, just very, very simple card. I stamped the flower twice with Bumblebee. I stamped the centers with Cinnamon Cider, the detailed piece full strength, and the fill piece stamped off once. Same thing with the leaves, only on these leaves I used Garden Green instead of shaded spruce. These are the In Color enamel dots, and this is cut from Bumblebee cardstock, and it is the sentiment is from Well Written Dies. And so I just attached that. When you're cutting this out, be sure and use that double-sided adhesive on the back. It makes attaching your detailed pieces much, much easier. And then I did this one. I think this one probably turned out to be my favorite. And for this one, I used the Whisper White Thick to create the background, and this is an A2 card, so it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. I say that wrong every time. I don't know why I do that. Anyway, it's 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. It makes an A2 greeting card. There we go. We got it right that time. This is from the Forever Foil detailed laser cut paper that is current in the catalog. It's just beautiful. I love it. And so this is one of the designs, and I just punched it out and attached it with a little bit of Stampin' Seal adhesive. Then I stamped 2 of the daisy flowers with Versamark onto Whisper White and embossed them with gold embossing powder. In the center of the top flower here, I used soft suede and early espresso markers, the fine tip end, and I just dotted until it looked full enough. Then I cut also from Well Written Dies the word birthday and the word wishes. And again, I used the gold foil and I put double-sided adhesive on the back, so it made attaching them quite easy. And so birthday wishes. And it just turned out absolutely beautiful. I hope you agree. So there are the 3 cards I made this week for my blast from the past. I hope that you will consider subscribing to my blog and to my YouTube channel, and be the first one to do so that you can get this stamp set sent to you for free. Thanks for stopping by.